Air cycle.
Thinking of tomorrow, today.
Thank you for purchasing the Bulb Eater. This revolutionary system will make your lamp recycling easy and efficient. We applaud your organization for proactively recycling mercury-containing products such as fluorescent lamps. While mercury is a very useful element, it is also quite dangerous to humans and to our environment. Proper disposal is key, and your Bulb Eater will serve as the first step in the recycling process. We offer this training video to help prepare you to properly use this system. We request that you also take a few minutes to read the owner's manual. Sit back, take notes, and feel free to call us if you have any questions at all. To assemble your Bulb Eater system, you'll need all the boxes together: the drum, a 15/16 wrench or socket, safety glasses, and gloves. To remove the lid from a new 55-gallon drum, you may also need a screwdriver or equivalent to pry the lid from the drum. This breaks the vacuum seal. After the drum lid is removed, take the Bulb Eater lid out of the box and mount it to the drum, tightening the bolt ring with a wrench or socket. Once the lid is secured to the drum, unscrew the cap and screw in the entry tubes for lamps to be inserted. After screwing in the entry tube, take the black hose from the shipping box and insert the nozzle end into the black rubber grommet on the drum lid. Take the other end and screw it into the hole on the right side of the blue filter case. Once the hose is in place, carefully remove the beige carbon canister from its shipping box. Pull the carbon bag from the canister, open it, and slowly pour the carbon in the canister. After the carbon has been poured into the canister, add the entry tube holder to the side of the carbon canister. Screw down the canister top over the top of the entry tube holder to secure both the lid and the holder. Once the canister is complete, hang it on the drum edge using the small standoffs provided as hooks. Then, plug in the hose from the blue filter case into the black rubber grommet on top of the canister to complete the filtration system. Make sure the nozzle is pushed in deep for a good seal. Your final step is to take the gray power cord and plug one end into an outlet and the other end into the control panel of your bulb eater system for power. Once the appropriate tube is screwed into the drum lid, remove the rubber plug from the top of the entry tube and turn the machine on. The master switch is located on the control panel. Once the system is running, place gloved hand over the lamp entry tube to check for suction. Low suction pressure normally indicates that a filter, located in the blue case, is too full and needs to be changed. The first stage filter should be changed twice per drum and the second stage cartridge every 10 drums. Line the dry fluorescent lamp over the entry tube and allow for roughly 3 inches of the lamp to enter the tube. Let the vacuum pull the lamp into the drum. Do not force the lamp down the entry tube. For U-shaped fluorescent lamps, pull the safety cover up from the bulb eater lid and insert the stainless steel chute. Then remove the entry tube and screw in the cap to seal that entry point. Before crushing, pull off the bar between the two ends of the lamp and then push the lamp through the trapdoor of the chute and let go. Make sure you remove the bars before crushing the lamps. Some may even need to be cut off. Drums containing the U-tube bars will incur significantly higher recycling charges. If outside breakage is a major problem, AirCycle also offers full-length entry tubes to completely enclose the lamp while it enters the drum. To change filters, you must first ensure the machine is safely turned off and that the operator is wearing safety glasses and gloves. To replace the first stage filter bag, locate the right-hand door on the blue filter case. Remove the black nozzle from the blue door and immediately cap the end of the black nozzle to prevent dust from falling to the floor. Press the yellow label marked PUSH on the farmost right edge of the curved blue filter case to open the filter case door. Carefully remove the door and immediately place a circular white label from the bulb eater filter kit over the center hole on the cardboard front of the filter. This prevents powder from escaping during the change-out process. Once the hole is safely covered, grab each side of the cardboard front and remove with both hands. Carefully pull the first stage filter out of the blue case and place it inside the bag given. After the last filter is replaced, the bag can be placed on top of the crushed lamps inside the drum or sent off separately with other hazardous waste. Please remember that the first stage filter bag needs to be changed twice per drum. To change the second stage cartridge filter, repeat the same steps, but once the first stage filter has been removed, grab the cartridge and rotate the filter a quarter turn to the left. Once the cartridge is free, place it in the bag along with the first stage filters. Once the spent cartridge is in the bag, replace it with a fresh cartridge before putting in the new first stage filter. The second stage needs to be changed at least every 10 drums, provided the first stage filter has been changed frequently. Insert a new filter into the case, making sure the cardboard front is securely in place and the bag portion of the filter is unfolded and beside the cartridge. Once the filters have been replaced, close the door to the filter case. Then reinsert the black hose into the case and also into the drum lid. The braking chain, or spinner, needs to be changed every 10 full drums of crushed lamps. The chain gradually wears down with use and will eventually lose links as they wear off. To replace a spinner, move the bulb eater to a clean, empty 55-gallon drum. Carefully stand the bulb eater on edge. With an Allen wrench, loosen the set screw holding the spinner in position. Once replaced, tighten the set screw to secure the spinner to the motor shaft. Before moving the bulb eater to a new drum, ensure that the operator is wearing their gloves and goggles. Press the red stop button to turn off the machine. After the machine has completely stopped, plug the entry tube opening and let the machine sit off for at least 15 minutes after the purge cycle has stopped to allow the remaining dust to settle before opening the lid. When ready, remove the black nozzle from the carbon canister and carefully lift the canister off the bulb eater and move it to the floor. Then remove the bolt ring of the bulb eater and lift the machine off the full drum and immediately place the machine on the new empty drum. Quickly place a flat 55-gallon drum lid on the full drum and tighten the bolt ring. Once the full drum is sealed, return to the bulb eater to tighten the machine down to the new drum. This process should take no more than 5 minutes to complete. Because the full drum contains mercury, we strongly recommend that the process is practiced and done as quickly and efficiently as possible to minimize potential exposure. As long as the process is done as described, the exposure is well within the OSHA safety standards.
Air cycle.
Thinking of tomorrow, today.